Hey guys, Richard here. Yeah, in this video we're just going to talk a little bit about a couple of developments. Yeah, so I just took out the Mooncool TK Pro. It's got a terrible squeak in the back end. I can't figure out what it is. I don't know, it's aggravating. I lubricated the little tensioner down there. I lubricated the sprocket around the motor. The brakes are adjusted fine, but it's got just a really annoying squeak. Can't figure it out. Plus, while riding it just now, I had a problem with the torque sensor disengaging, and I had to hit the brakes a couple of times to get it to re-engage. So yeah, I'm not sure what's going on with that. I'll be working with Mooncool, see if they know anything, and yeah, maybe bring some updates once I know something. This 630 reverse Tadpole trike is for sale. I do not ship, but if you're in the area and you're interested in this trike, reach out to me, and you know, you can set up a time to come take a look and test it out if you want to. Nice, I mean, great idea, great concept. I had a couple other people test ride it, and they said, man, they loved it. So there's a lot of people that like it. One of the big things I didn't care for about it so much is this version has mechanical brakes, so it's kind of sensitive on the brakes. You got to get them adjusted just right, and I think I have now. They're adjusted really good, so when you squeeze the brakes, you know, one side doesn't grab and kind of spin you sideways or anything. It seemed to be working out pretty good now. But 630 has another brand new model for 2025 that does have hydraulic brakes, so that's nice. So they kind of upgraded that already. But if you want a good deal on this one, can reach out to me, and I'll make you a real good deal on it. Let's see here, other developments. The eBike is up and running. If you've been on my channel a while, you know we had battery problems, so we got that. I need to finish up the full review. I actually started it yesterday, and in the middle of my video, received an important phone call that ended up taking a while that I had to stop what I was doing and divert my attention elsewhere. Never completed the video, so now I got to start all over. So that happens sometimes. Hey, the 630 Simple Glide. Real popular item. There's a lot of people that are very interested in this. We got a dog fight down there or something. A lot of people interested in this right here. Well, guess what? I was contacted by another company. Brand new company. They have a similar trike that just hit the warehouse, they said, and they're talking about, we're negotiating right now, talking about them sending this one so we can check it out. Fat tires. Guys, here's what makes this thing so special. I'm really excited about it, and I hope I get my hands on it. It's a fat tire. It's dual motors, motor in the front, motor in the back. Oh, it gets better. Dual battery. It's got a seat, a really large seat like this, that is an upgrade, but similar to this, but the seat does fold down, so the bike, it lays a little flatter to get it in and out of your SUV. So that's really great. And the best part, it's got rear suspension. So it's got suspension on all wheels. And I think, and we're talking, what, like 200 Newton meters of torque or something? I mean, just crazy power, crazy strong, 25-mile-an-hour speed. It's a recumbent style, just like this, you know, so your pedals are out in front of you a little bit, but it's got the bigger tires. And, you know, this is great. This is great especially for seniors. This one right here, especially for seniors, it's great. But for those guys who are a little younger, maybe want a more of aggressive ride, this one that is coming out by this other company, I'm telling you, I cannot wait to get my hands on it because I'm going to be doing some off-roading with this trike. Dual battery, dual motor, full suspension. Oh, yeah, and it comes with a reverse, and it's got some other really nice little features built into it. So. Yeah, I'm ecstatic over that one. Let's see here, what else? New developments. Anything? We got another bike showing up tomorrow. I can tell you, it's a Rusher brand. So be looking for that video. I still owe a couple of videos to a couple of folks. Like, we're holding off on the full review of this Mooncool for now. It's just not something that's on the table right now till we figure out, make sure everything's good to go. But like I said, the eBike, and I got another video for the hay bike that's due, and I've got another video for the full care, the white full care back there. I think that's about due. And it's not out here, it's already in the house, but we have a new motorized scooter for Mrs. Adventure when she has those bad days and she needs to get around on a scooter. We're going to be doing a video on that tomorrow. Going to be recording that one. It won't be out tomorrow, but we'll be recording it tomorrow. So those are the kind of things that are coming up. And some of you are saying, well, that's not e-bike related. Well, yeah, it is, because it's Mrs. Adventure, and she's e-bike related. So that's good enough. But yeah, it's a great little scooter. We've been testing it out for all week now. She really likes it. It's really small, easy to get in. She can get around the house with it just fine. Get through doorways and stuff, down the hallway, get turned around. I mean, it's really nice. Lightweight, so it's easier for me to get it loaded up into the back of the truck without having to disassemble stuff. And the current scooter, you know, I have to first take off the seat, which it just lifts off, but it's still a pain in the butt. You have to lift off the seat, and you have to remove the battery to make it kind of light enough. You have to fold down the handlebars flat. Oh, and she's got a basket that hangs on the front of the handlebar. That's got to get taken off, because otherwise it won't fit up underneath the truck there. So there's a lot that has to be done. Then when we go to the store or something, I have to reverse all that and dig it out and put it back together so we can go and do our thing. And this one, I wish it was out here so I could show you real quick. The seat, you pull a lever, the whole seat collapses and lays down flat. You just twist the knob to loosen up the handlebars, and it lays down flat. You can leave the battery on it because it's a very lightweight frame. The frame expands about, what, 6, maybe 8 inches or so. So if you're shorter or whatever, you can have it squished up a little bit. Or if you're a taller person or whatever, you can lengthen it. Just add about 6 inches of length to it. So really, really neat little scooter. So I'm excited to show that to you. For those of you who are, use e-trikes and e-bikes to get around outside, maybe you have some limitations and you need a small, lightweight scooter to go to the store with, or even just to get around in your house or apartment or wherever you live. That's a great one. We're going to be bringing it to you. Let's see. Anything else here? New developments? I don't think so. Don't have anything else on the books other than the Cyrusher tomorrow. Possibly another new trike soon. 630 told me a couple of days ago they're going to send another one. Actually, 630, I think they're going to send me the new reverse Tadpole trike that is the fat tire version. Have you seen that one on their website? They came out with it just a few weeks ago. Yeah, it's got like 16 by 20 or 16 by 4, and I think a 20 by 4 tire, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Hydraulic brakes, real stable, similar in design, the rest of it here. Really cool. So I think he's going to be sending that one to us, or at least he said he would next week. So that's another one that hopefully we coming in here. So yeah, lots of things happening, guys. So that's going to be it for this video. Just a quick update. Give me a thumbs up. Ask your question down below. Don't forget, if you're interested in this one here, drop a comment or send me a message if you know how to find my email. And we can talk about that, but I do not ship. See you guys in another video soon. Ride responsibly and ride safe.